I looked at the weather report for Miami Beach, Florida, and at this moment there's threatening to be a thunderstorm. So that's why the sky looks the way that it does. It's kind of nice. It's chilly to me. It's breezy. So I went up to my room and put on a sweater or a light jacket and put on some yoga pants because it was just too chilly for the kids. So that's what it's looking like. It's 6 o'clock this evening, Miami Beach. I'm enjoying myself. Soon I will be coming home. I'm sad. Yeah, but it's beautiful. See you in the next video.